Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to combine SUMIFs and checkboxes in Microsoft Excel. So we've got a list of names and a list of amounts. Now once a student pays their £5, the box gets ticked and they're allowed to go on the school trip. However, we do need all boxes to be checked so that they can go on the school trip. Anyway, so in row 16 I've got the amount received, and this is going to be our SUMIF. So we're going to hit the equal key and type SUMIF. Now range, this is going to be the range where all our checkboxes are. Now, criteria. So if a checkbox is ticked, that equals true. If it's left blank, it equals false. So our criteria is going to be true, comma, and then sum range is basically all these £5. Close bracket. Now, basically, we have done our SUMIF formula, and we are now receiving £5 from students. So Melba's paid, Rosendo's paid, Jacqueline's paid, and Morgan's paid. Now, if you noticed, as I was talking through that, every time I click the box, the received amount increased by £5. And just to show you that essentially the SUMIF is working, remember I said that only count if the criteria is true. So let's say, for example, Jacqueline, we've got it wrong and she hasn't paid £5. We untick the box and the received amount goes down. Now that is a basic way to combine SUMIFs and the checkboxes in Microsoft Excel.